Are you getting that annoying message saying your Gmail storage is almost full? Or maybe your Google account won't receive new emails because you're out of space? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to clean Gmail storage the smart way and free up gigabytes instantly without deleting important emails. Stay with me till the end because I'll also show you some hidden Gmail tricks most people don't know about. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to mail.google.com and sign in to your Gmail account. Before we begin cleaning, check how much storage you're using. To do that, scroll to the bottom of your inbox. You'll see something like 8 gigabytes of 15 gigabytes used. That storage is shared across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. Now, clutter usually comes from old emails, large attachments, spam, and promotional messages, so we'll clean them in a proper order. Delete. Large emails, first in the Gmail search bar, type has attachment, larger, 10 megabytes. This will filter all emails with attachments larger than 10 megabytes. These consume the most storage. Click the select checkbox at the top to select the emails on the page. Then click select all conversations that match this search. Once selected, hit the trash icon to delete them. You'll be surprised how much storage this frees up. Delete social and promotional emails in bulk. Next, on the left sidebar, click promotions, click the checkbox, and again select all conversations. Delete them. Do the same with the social tab. These are usually marketing or notification emails you don't need. Clean spam and trash folders. Deleting emails isn't enough. Gmail keeps them for 30 days unless you permanently delete them. On the left panel, click on spam and then delete all spam messages now. Then go to trash and click empty trash now. This step instantly clears space. Don't skip it. Go to Google Storage Manager by searching Google One Storage and delete large drive and photo files too. And that's it. Your Gmail storage should now be clean and optimized. Most people don't realize Gmail has powerful search filters that make deleting thousands of emails super easy. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who also has a full inbox. If you want a video on how to organize Gmail like a pro or automate email cleanup, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.